There are places that history remembers, and there are places that legends refuse to forget. 4,000 years ago, before cities and roads, before Kerala became Kerala, a divine presence is believed to have appeared in the heart of a sacred forest. Today, that mystery still lives in Thrissur. This is Vadakkunnathan Temple, the Kailash of the south. Inside this temple stands a Shiva Lingam covered by a mountain of sacred dew, and for centuries it has never melted. The land where Shiva chose to stay. According to ancient lore, after creating Kerala from the sea, Parshuram prayed to Lord Shiva to bless this sacred land. Shiva arrived here with Parvati, Ganesha, and Subramanya, and manifested as a radiant Shiva Lingam beneath a giant banyan tree. That divine presence became Vadakkunnathan. But even today, the greatest mystery of Vadakkunnathan still remains unexplained. Temple legends connect this mystery to an ancient story from the Mahabharata. During his penance, Arjuna once encountered Lord Shiva, who appeared before him disguised as a hunter. Neither recognized the other, and a fierce battle began. In the intense clash, Arjuna is believed to have accidentally struck Shiva with his Gandiva bow. The impact created intense divine heat and pain to cool Shiva's energy and heal the wound. Lord Dhanvantri, the god of Ayurveda and healing, prescribed continuous application of pure ghee. Devotees continued this sacred offering for centuries until the lingam disappeared beneath layers of ghee. And here comes the mystery. Even in Kerala's tropical heat, with thousands of oil lamps burning nearby, the ghee never melts, never spoils, and never smells bad. Devotees believe it represents Mount Kailash itself, the eternal snowy adobe of Shiva. Yet the mystery of the lingam is only one part of this temple's incredible journey through history. For centuries, kings rose and kingdoms disappeared, but this temple remained untouched, watching history in silence. Even during the invasion of Tipu Sultan, Vadakkunnathan temple was never harmed. Historical accounts say Tipu Sultan borrowed vessels from this temple to feed his army, and later returned them along with a bronze lamp as an offering. But Vadakkunnathan is not remembered only for its legends. It is also one of Kerala's greatest architectural treasures. The temple is a masterpiece of Kerala architecture. Massive wooden carvings, ancient murals, sacred corridors, and the legendary Kuthambalam, where Kerala's oldest art forms still come alive. Every wall whispers stories from the Mahabharata. Every lamp glows with centuries of prayer. And among the countless stories connected to this sacred temple, one would go on to change India's spiritual history forever. Legend also says that Adi Shankaracharya's parents prayed here for a child. Shiva appeared in their dreams and blessed them with one extraordinary son, who would later transform the spiritual history of India forever. But beyond its silence, prayers, and ancient mysteries, once every year, Vadakkunnathan awakens in celebration. And once every year, the silence of Vadakkunnathan transforms into the heartbeat of an entire city. This is Thrissur Puram, the mother of all Purams, Kerala's grandest temple festival. For one magical night, Thrissur becomes a sea of lights, devotion, music, and celebration. Dozens of beautifully adorned elephants stand like royal guardians beneath the night sky, carrying centuries of tradition on their backs. As hundreds of percussion artists perform together beneath the sacred Ilanji tree, the sound feels less like music and more like divine energy. And then comes the most awaited spectacle of all, Kudamattam, where vibrant parasols dance across the skies in a breathtaking celebration of color, rhythm, and pride. As the night deepens, the skies above Thrissur erupt into fire and light, turning celebration into pure wonder. And through all the drums, fireworks, devotion, and celebration, Vadakkunnathan remains calm at the center of it all, like an eternal witness blessing the soul of Thrissur. But beyond the grandeur and celebration, the true power of Vadakkunnathan lies in something deeper. But beyond the drums, fireworks, and celebration, the true power of Vadakkunnathan lies in something deeper. Here, Shiva is not just worshipped, he is experienced. In the sound of temple bells, in the fragrance of lamps, in the rhythm of ancient chants, and in the silence that touches your soul. This is not just a monument, not just a temple. This is a living story carved in wood, stone, fire, and faith. And if Thrissur has a soul, it beats here. Long after we are gone, the lamps will still burn, the chants will still echo, and Shiva will still remain here, silent, eternal, timeless. Om Namah Shivaya.